Secret code to check battery status on Samsung. So if you want to know the secret code to check the battery status on Samsung, then you just need to open up your call ID and then go for the dial pad. Once you're on the dial pad, you just need to simply search for hash 0228 hash and then star. So it might be different on different devices. So in order to check your battery in Vivo, then once you have this kind of interface, like once you've dial this kind of interface, then here on the upper side you will automatically have the battery option. Simply tap on the battery and you will be able to see the battery, right? But if you have other devices, like if you have other Android devices, then what you need to do is simply go with your Google or your browser, and under that, here you need to enter the secret code to check the battery status on your device. So if you're using Samsung, check for Samsung, or if you're using Vivo, Oppo, or any other devices, then you just need to simply enter that device name. And once you enter that device name, here you will have the codes to check the battery. So if you have Samsung S22, 21, 10, 20, or A32, then these two codes will help you to have the battery information. So in this way, you can get the secret code to check the battery status on your Samsung. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.